Hi, good morning. This is Moise Dali, SEO expert to provide some SEO services to all clients in the market. And I just want to provide you some very essential message from my side to the youth for their skills regarding marketing, regarding CS, So because sometimes ago, I just want to say, sometimes ago, I started working on my SEO to provide some skills and some earnings, but on the Google and on YouTube there is not a practical platform. These are no practical platform to provide you some practical knowledge about, because these are theoretical. And for the skills to push yourself in the market, you must have some practical knowledge, practical portfolio for yourself, to do something practical and earn something for yourself to facilitate you and your family. So I was watching something that which can be help me in a practical way, and enhance my skills, enhance my mentality in this field. Someone, my friend, very good friend, he was said to me. He said to me that there is a course uh, from Mem Ukasha server, and he she has a very beautiful course, a very practical course for the youth nowadays, which you will haven't find these type of practical courses in the market and online sessions. When I was joined this course, and this was really surprising for me. When I joined, this is a perfect course for me, which I was finding for a very long time. I just joined this course and I started practical knowledge. I was started practice on my SEO services, and it will change my whole field on my whole route, which I was like put myself and take the decision to go for a long route for my future on this route. And so I just want to say, you must be do this course, you must be join this course. This is a very unique and rare course in the market. You will never find this type of course in all over the market, which is going nowadays, because it's a practical, not theoretical course. And so just join it and make your practical portfolio, and just do as you want. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.